If the roots of the equation px square plus x plus r equal to 0 are reciprocal to each other, then which one of the following is correct? Now, if we compare this given quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we can say that a is equal to p and c is equal to r. Now, in the standard quadratic equation, we know that the product of the roots is equal to c upon a. Okay. Now, if we use this for the given quadratic equation, c is r and a is p. So we get product of roots as r upon p. But here it is given that the roots are reciprocal to each other. Okay. So reciprocal to each other, that means if the first root is alpha, the second root is 1 upon alpha. So the product of these roots will be alpha into 1 upon alpha, that is equal to 1. So alpha gets cancelled, we get the product as only 1. So 1 is equal to r upon p from here, because this is also product of roots. So therefore we get p is equal to r, and therefore the answer will be option B.